Good morning, everybody. It is the 18th. It's 6 a.m. Now I want you to see this. Watch. It's cold out here. It says it's 38, so I believe it. All right. I've got a lot to cover, so all I'm going to do on this report right here is the earthquakes. And then I've got a huge report to do on new tropical depressions, tropical storms that have just popped right back up into the field, okay? So, first of all, let's get the earthquakes. There was 4.9, which USGS downgraded to a 4.8 at the Carolina Islands, Micronesia, at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, there was a 4.2 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth, a 4.6 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. They have not put the depth up yet. There was a 3.0 Chile at 45 miles in depth. Now that one was through the Chile Earthquake Monitoring Center and the Discovery Earthquake app. There was a 3.3, sorry, I did the 3.0. 3.3 Chile at 59 miles in depth. Now, since midnight last night, Alaska has had a 2.2 at 74 miles in depth, a 2.9 at 12 miles in depth, a 3.5 at 0 miles in depth, a 2.9 at 2.1 miles in depth, a 2.5 at 18 miles in depth, a 3.0 at 77 miles in depth. They've had a 3.0 at 11 miles in depth and a 3.0 at 8.1 miles in depth. Alaska's had 3, which they're not just big ones, and then they put up these little ones on another web page. A total of 17 in all, monitoring from 0.1 to a 2.2, and that 2.2 was at 49 miles in depth. Hawaii's had a total of 7, a 2.2, a 2.6, a 2.5, a 1.1, a 1.9, and a 0 point was lowest, and then a 1.0. Central Turkey had a 2.3. All right, guys, I want you to see, I don't know if you can, these are all new cyclones and tropical depressions. I'm going to go ahead and cover those on the next video. God bless you. Please be safe. Thank you for watching.